All right, folks, this is the unboxing of the Golden Patriot four-wheel heavy-duty scooter. So when you get your scooter, folks, it's going to be in a big box like this on a long pallet like this, okay? So when you get it, the first thing you're going to want to do is cut these two tabs here like this. And then you're going to open it up like this. Just be careful, there's staples here, okay? So when you open it up like that, just be really careful of the staples. And what I'm going to do now, to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see, I'm going to do this. Okay, so, okay, it's not working out quite exactly like I wanted to do it, but so you'll see it real quick here. I'm going to bring this back here. So you'll have some tape around the outside here. And that takes care of that part. Then this part here should just lift right up. So bear with me, this is the first time I've done the unboxing of a Golden Patriot. So a little bit of stuffing here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the seat. As you can see, the seat is upside down. I'm going to leave it over here on the ground for now. It's a pretty heavy seat. We have some foam here and here. We have a flag we're going to put over here with the seat. We have a basket here. This will be the mirrors, the owner's manual, and the keys are in the owner's manual. You can see the two keys right here with the owner's manual, and the headrest is all in here. We're going to take this off. And on this side, we have the charger right here. There's a charger right here. We're going to put that over here. We're going to pull this cover off. So it's pretty simple so far. So far, so good. Good looking scooter there. So now when you raise this up right here, I think this is it. There's a handle here. Yep. So if you squeeze that handle this way, you can raise this any position you want. All right, so when you get to the scooter now, there's no batteries in this one. So to make it easier, you could take the batteries out. There's 4 screws here, and this cover will come out. You can take the batteries out before you lift it off. This one has no batteries because we're going to put the batteries here in our store. But the best way to get it off, I would assume, is to just lift it up and put it over there. So it will take two, thank you very much. It'll take 2 strong persons to lift this scooter out and put it down like this, okay? So we're going to cut off for a minute here, and we're going to unpack all the other stuff, and then we'll be right back. All right, folks, so we've got the scooter all unboxed. So we've got the scooter here. We have the basket, the charger, the headrest, the seat. I unpacked that. You don't need to see how I unpacked that. That's pretty easy to unpack it. You can see this is all the parts you should have. The seat, the headrest, the charger, the basket, the mirrors, the owner's manual, and the keys are in here. So the first thing we're going to do when you get your scooter is take the keys out of your little pack here, and the next thing you'll do, you notice right now the scooter is in neutral. See how I can roll it? Okay, so what we're going to do, there's a yellow lever here. We're going to put it in drive. So now you're going to take your keys and you're going to put your keys right here, and you're going to turn your key on. I turn the key on, there's no power, okay? So when you get your scooter, a lot of the times they don't connect the batteries. So if you turn the key and you have power, well, your batteries are connected. So before you put your seat on and you do all this hard work, right now we have no power. There's 2 batteries in here. We've already put 2 batteries to show you what it would look like. You're going to unscrew these 4 screws here. You should have 4 of these. Put them on the floorboard so you don't lose them. Pull this cover off right here. And now what we're going to do, we're going to zoom in a little bit to let you see the batteries in here. You can see there's 2 batteries in here. There's your battery packs for your batteries, for your cable. There should be 2 cables. So if you look at here, here's 1 cable, okay? And here's the other cable here stuck in here. So this is real simple. 1 cable goes to 1 battery and 1 cable goes to the other battery. So white would be your black. As you can see, white right here, it says negative on the thing. You're going to go to your negative here. Red, you're going to go to your red here. This black one here is going to go to your negative here. And this red one here, when you look at the red right here, that's your positive now on this one. And it tells you right here, positive. Go right to the positive here. So we're going to connect these batteries here, and then we'll be right back with you. Hey folks, when you connect your batteries, make sure that you connect your cables and you put your caps back on. Make sure these cables are super tight. Don't break them, but you want them tight. I had a gentleman one time, he was going down the road, he forgot to tighten up one of these. As soon as he lost a little bit of contact, their scooter would just completely stop and lock at full speed. Make sure you tighten up all 4 of these. After you've got all 4 of them, recheck them again, make sure they're tight. And when you put the bolts on here, I had to use with my bolts here a 9/16 and a half inch. 9/16 and a half inch. I'm not quite sure what kind of bolts they send with these scooters when the batteries are in here. But on these bolts, I had to use a 9/16 and a half inch key. When you put your bolt in, make sure your cable is pushed down. It's not sitting up like this, okay? Push it down, then tighten it so everything is flat. Because remember, the cover has to sit right over this, okay? So once you've got that done there, then you're going to take your cover, and now you can see I have power. If I turn the key back on, I have power, so I know the batteries are connected properly. Then I will take my cover and I'll stick it back on top of this again. All right, so I'm putting the last screw in here. There's 4 of these, 2 on each side. Now that you've got the screws in, you got the cover on there solid. What we're going to do now, we're going to put the basket on. It just snaps on. And then we're going to take the seat. What I like to do is fold the seat down before I put it on so I can see what I'm doing. This seat's pretty heavy, so be careful you don't drop it on your scooter. Put the seat, you can see the male piece. Bring it around. So this one you have to hold the seat up before you put the lever down. Okay, let's do it again. All right folks, so the lever here makes the seat swivel. So once you have it on there, you can see it swivels and locks. Now one more thing, before you put the seat on, you notice this scooter here has 1 hole left. So I could have dropped the seat 1 more inch. Okay, so right now it's sitting 1 hole higher. It looks like it's a little high, but I think I'm going to lower the seat down once we do this video. But before you put the cover on, right after you're doing the battery, there's a bolt here right on your post. Pull it out with an Allen wrench and you can lower the seat if you don't want it this high, because right now it's pretty high. So if we leave the seat like that, the next thing I would do, I'm going to put the headrest in here, okay? And then I'm going to take the flag right here. The flag, folks, let me show you where that goes. So the flag has a little slot right there where my finger is. So you can see if I put that in there right there, in that slot, it goes all the way there, okay? Then this would go here, okay? That'd be your flag there. And your battery charger is here. So folks, this was the unboxing of the Golden Patriot heavy-duty four-wheel scooter. If you like what you see, if you like this video, give us a call. We'd be glad to get you one of these delivered right to your house. So give us a call. Again, this was the unboxing of the Golden Patriot four-wheel scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.